Hi, my name is Aneesh, and this project I'm presenting is about sun and thermal energy. It's basically about heat and how heat can be formed. First, I'll show you my project and how it works, the different levels, and the ending and losing screen. So let's start. As you can see, I clicked the play button. Now, related to the sun and thermal energy, sun rays are falling down from the sky. Using a rocket ship, using the left, right, up, down arrow keys, we have to move our rocket ship to touch the arrow to get on to the next level. Let's try that. As you can see, I just made it to the next level. Now I made it to the next level. As you can see again, here what we're talking about is the sun and thermal energy and how it's made and how the rocket ship itself produces sun and thermal energy, which means that we can't go too fast. Otherwise, the rocket ship would explode. So I made it go slower. Next, we have to try to get the arrow, and I touched it. Now, the final level is that we, again, with these sun rays, have to dodge them and make it to the arrow. So let's try that. Okay, yes, we made it. So now this is just an ending screen to make a little message and thank you note to the people who played this game. This is also an encouraging message. And yeah, I just said see you later if they ever want to play the game again. Now, let's move on to the most important part, the code. But before we do that, let me show you the illusion screen once more again. Just wait. Okay, we're about to get to the play. Okay, there we are. So as you can see, let's say I get hit with a sun ray. I'm going to show you the losing screen. As you saw, I hit the sun ray. Now we're on the you lost screen because our rocket ship died. Anyway, let's move on to the code now, the most important part of the project. First, I'm going to show you one important piece of code that was important for me on the rocket ship. It was the if-then blocks because I wanted the sprite to be able to move while touching the arrow keys. So I said, if the player touches a certain arrow key or presses it, it immediately moves the character up, down, left, or right. Finally, another piece of code that was important was in the you lost screen. This was important because when we realized that we lost the game because a sun ray or something else hit us, we immediately used that broadcasted message to our advantage. So we said, when I get this message that the game has been over and we lost the game, then we have to make this sprite, the you lost screen, go in the front layer so that it doesn't get covered by another object, and then play the sound lose so that the person who's playing the game understands that they lost the game. Finally, I hope you understood the main pieces of code that were important and how my game works. Thank you.